Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm here with a flip through of the journal I made with Kara Brandon's Spring Up and Bloom digital kit. This time, instead of doing my file folder folio, I did it a little differently. I'm still playing around and trying some things. So this one is a soft cover. I printed one of Kara's pages onto some white fabric, added some lace, and I've got this bound Midori style. But this time, my Midori style has 3 signatures. So the inside is also fabric, and we've got lace along this outer edge. Then when we open it up, we have our first signature, which is a blank journal. This is one of Kara's pages. This is actually some of Kara's grungy paper. And then we've got some floral images and writing pages. Again, this is a unadorned, another Kara page. Some graph paper, another Kara page. Some nice lined paper for writing. I love this page. I put in a flowery coloring book page. This is a digital I had. I had some coffee dyed lace, and I just altered the color on that and made that the backing of this Kara page. And then on the other half of the signature, we've got the other half of the pages. This signature is 36 pages front and back. And like I said, left unadorned and blank and ready to be used. Then we go in, and here we do have a file folder folio. So for the second signature, we've got this file folder folio. It's just a little smaller because it doesn't actually have the journals in it. So the cover, and then flip it open, and here we have a tag and a little coin envelope here, wrapped up with a little tag in here. This is from Kara's Get Your Tickets ephemera kit. And then here we have a couple of journaling cards. And on this side, I made a nice tall window that has this tag in it. So got acetate in there, sewn around. And then flip this open. And here we've got a layered tag with a little pocket here. And here we've got an envelope with used a little piece of stationery and some of Kara's ephemera from the Spring Up kit. And then here I'd left this area as little tuck areas, and I just put a couple of my faux tea cards in there. So then this tag helps keep that envelope closed and from flopping around. Then over here in the center, I have a tag holder that Denise at Papercraft D had made. Hers is much better than mine, but I thought I'd give it a try. So we've got, on the front here, we've got 2 pockets with just a tag and some ephemera in it. Little ephemera here. These are from Kara's Get Your Tickets, as is this, and then I just used some of the Spring Up and Bloom images to decorate those a little bit. Got an acetate, not an acetate, a vellum pocket here. And everything just slides right in. And then you flip this up and you've got writing space here. Oops. With another little pocket here that has a tag in it. So I was still able to make the folio have a good bit of the ephemera in it. It just doesn't have, I was able to thin the spine on it a little bit so that it's not as bulky, and that allowed me to get more journaling space in. Okay, then close everything up and flip it over, and we've got the other side of the Denise Settles or Papercrafty tag. I left this side as a belly band. I forgot to put anything in it, but I left that open. And then here we've just got all sorts of more ephemera and a tag. And again, a vellum pocket here. And I printed some of Kara's Spring Up and Bloom kit on the vellum. And then over here on this side, we've got our third signature, which again has 36 pages of journaling space. So here I put some bird pages in, Kara pages, got a piece of yellow onion skin, more floral images, a little bit of graph paper, old address book page, Kara's paper, the center of the signature. And again, everything within the journal itself is unadorned. And all the ephemera that we put in here can be, of course, used in it. Added to it. And that is that. Each of the signatures is able to slide in and out. And so it's great. I'm not going to tie that right now. It's great. It is soft cover, which I like. I like the soft cover. And like I said, each one of them is held in but is removable, which I love. So there is my flip through. I hope you enjoyed this. I think I'm going to be working some more. There are some things I would have done differently now that I've done it, things I would do a little differently on putting it together. But I like being able to have the soft cover journal but still have the file folder folio. So let me know. And until next time, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.